If you want to check Wi-Fi or mobile data usage on Samsung Galaxy S26, first we need to open the settings. We're gonna proceed to connections and then over here choose data usage. Now in here we should be able to find the mobile data usage for each SIM that you have active. So if you have two SIMs active, you can find two of these options. So let's say I'm gonna go ahead and select this one, and you should be able to find a little graph about the mobile data usage. In my case, I didn't use mobile data pretty much at all, so there's nothing displayed. Here at the top you can switch to a different time frame, and then below over here we have a list of apps sorted by the amount of data that was used by these apps. And besides that, at the bottom we can find the Wi-Fi data usage as well. So this is how it looks like. For example, here we can also of course switch to a different period of time. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.